Hi everybody, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm sorry to say that I already did the recording for the IpsyGlamBag and recorded several unboxings and there was no sound to any of my videos. So we're redoing them and I actually did a try it on and guess what? The stuff is already on. So here it is. It is the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a $12 a month-to-month beauty box subscription. It does come in this cute little puffy pink mailer. We did get, or you do get, 5 products. One is a full size. This is the cute little black bag. If you can see that, it's got the same thing that it has that the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus had on it, except for that one kind of looked like this. It does say your magic on the back. It is black. The zipper is gold. Very well constructed. As you can see, it does have the little moon and the star on it. Does it have Ipsy on there? You know what? I didn't check to see if it did. It does not. Usually there's a logo. Ipsy has their logos on there somewhere. Before you throw your little pink mailer away, please check inside. Some of the items that are a little bit larger do not fit inside of the makeup bags that we get every single month, like this Moda brush. This is a Moda fan brush, and because it did not fit, it does fit, but they didn't want to cram everything into that makeup bag. They will end up in your mailer. So open your mailer all the way up before you file a claim saying, hey, you know what, one thing was missing, because they can tell you pretty much, did you look inside your mailer? 99% of the time, that's where you're going to find it. Okay, 90% of the time. Most people find them in the trash in their mailer. So this is the Moda brush that was inside that bag. Okay, this is the Moda BMX. Is this the 150? Yeah, the 150. This is the highlighter, the fan highlighter brush. And it comes in at $5.49, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no, $5.99. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The theme for this month is Your Magic for October 2020. You do get a card with the Ipsy Glam Bag, not the Glam Bag Plus. You get a card with both of them, but this one gives you a list of the products, a description, detailed description, and the price. So you do get deluxe samples on 4 of the items, but it's still going to give you the full version price. The Smash Box, which is the Oil and Shine Control Primer, this little guy right here. This one goes for $39 for the full version. Ugh. That's a lot. But these little guys right here, they last and they work really good. Smashbox has some, their primers are really good. They're up there. All right. The Balm Cosmetics. This is a Will Powder blush in Perseverance. That's this little guy right here. This is Will Powder. Cute, right? It's cute. Okay. This is the blush right here in Perseverance. You see that color? And it is magnetic. I don't know if you can see that little hole right there. It's magnetic. You can just pop it right out and put it in one of your Build-A-Palette, you know, your empty Build-A-Palettes. So this is it right here. Pretty color. Only thing I have not put on really is blush. Whoa. That powder blush has a whole bunch of shifting colors. Can you see the greens and the silver? Oh my God, and the gold. Oh my Lord, look at it. It's like somebody put highlight. Oh my gosh. It's not the look I was going for. I can tell you that much right now, but you know what? It is what it is. All right, we also have the Lottie London. This is Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in So Good. And this is the color of it right here. The plastic is still on it because this is probably going to go in a giveaway at some point or another, or to give it to one of my granddaughters. but it's a pretty color. I mean, it really is. Try not to get the light on there. See that? So that one there for the full version, or this one here is full version, $6.49. Okay. All right, one more product, and that is from Oriza. And this is the little Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. And these are the ones that have the little tiny four little small colors inside of them. Now, I know that the sun's coming in right now. This is a purple. They're colors, they're deep purple. This one almost looks like a grape. This one here. This one up here is supposed to be almost like a lilac, but unless you're sitting right here and you kind of lean them into the sun and kind of do one of these, let the sun hit it, it's hard to really see it. But on the back, it does have these colors like that. Hopefully that gives it a little bit. This is not what you see in person with these. Not at all. See these browns? And then that's like a pink with mixture of brown in it. So anyhow, this one right here. So there's your $20 Oriza. The Will Powder. Oh my Lord, this shifting blush is $25 if you were to get a full size. The Lotta London, this one would be $6.49. The Smashbox is the big ticket item. If you had a full size, it would be $39. And remember, these are all little small versions. And then you have the Moda Fan Highlighter. So all of that together, I will have the total price right here on the bottom of your screen. Remember one thing, these are just deluxe samples. So the price I'm giving you is the price for the full version. And that is it for the IpsyGlamBag, your Magic October 2020 bag. And I know, try it on. There really wasn't a whole heck of a lot except for that oil powder blush in Perseverance. And this is what it did. Look at this. At least it matches my eyes, right? Not my hands, but it matches my eyes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out and clicking on this video. I appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button over there and do me a favor. Hey, subscribe, see? Yep. Click on all my videos. I got a few more coming up. I have Chic Beauty. I have, let's see, we have the American Influencer, and I have Glow Addict. I also have Slay Glam Box, but we won't be doing it because it's a duplicate. So hang in there, hang tight. I'll be back with a couple more videos. Well, you know what I mean. You guys have a good one. Bye.